Hey guys, all right, we are inside of the business dashboard now. We are really excited to share this tool with you as we are positive it will provide unique insight into your Amazon business and better equip you with the knowledge to understand the growth of your brand. For those who don't know, the seller dashboard makes analyzing your business quick and easy. We try to include all of the key metrics we like to pay attention to as sellers. So you have all of the important information you'll need to better understand your business at your fingertips. Whether you want to know how profitable your business is or what you're spending on PPC, the business dashboard has the answers. In this video, I'm going to quickly take you through the different sections to show you what they mean, as well as point out some unique features you're going to want to pay attention to along the way. Alright, let's dive right in. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting the tool, you're not going to see any information on the dashboard yet. You're going to want to go through the connection flow in this tab here, which will link your seller account to your Zonguru account. Once you've taken care of the connection process, you'll be greeted with a screen that looks similar to this one. There are a few different sections to pay close attention to inside of the business dashboard. Most of them are fairly self-explanatory, but let's take a quick glance and run through what they each mean. Up at the top here, we have the gross revenue, net margin, net profit, and business valuation widgets. Gross revenue is the total amount of sales recognized for a reporting period, prior to any deductions. This figure indicates the ability of your business to sell goods, but not its ability to generate profits. Net margin is the percentage of revenue remaining after all operating expenses, interest, taxes, and fees have been deducted from a company's total revenue. The actual profit, after working expenses not included in the calculation of gross profit, have been paid. And finally, the business value widget is your overall business value. This widget will first ask what trading period you want to base your valuation on. It then asks what multiplier you wish to apply to your earnings in order to calculate the value of your business. Once Zonguru knows the time period and the multiplier, it multiplies your net profit for that time period and then annualizes it. Once it has the annualized figure, it multiplies that figure by the valuation multiplier selected, and then it adds the value of what you currently have in inventory. Now you have the intrinsically valuable knowledge of knowing exactly what your business is currently worth. This is particularly valuable for those sellers who have been crushing it for a while and are considering whether or not it would make sense to sell their business. Over here we have the profit breakdown widget. It is important to note that before you see an accurate profit breakdown, you're going to need to enter your COGS in the My Products section. You can easily redirect to this section by clicking here. As covered in the My Products video, your COGS are your costs of goods sold. Once you've filled out your COGS, you can begin to analyze more accurately your net profit, the most important figure of all, by looking at your profit widget. Here we can see exactly what our net profit is, as well as our margin percentage, and all of the numbers that get us there. The net profit includes my total revenue, minus my COGS, Amazon fees, storage fees, and refunds. And in the next update of the application, it will include advertising costs as well. Over here we see the sales breakdown graph based on the time period we have selected here in the time filter dropdown. Obviously, as you change the time period, the results of the graph will change. And the same goes for if you want to check how you are doing in a specific market versus all markets using this dropdown. This is also pretty cool, guys. We have integrated a currency dropdown here as well in case you don't want to see the figures in US dollars and instead want to see them in pounds, euros, Australian dollars, or Canadian dollars. Here we have the recent reviews section, where I can see all of the reviews that I've recently made in the last couple days at a quick glance. And if I click on this link, it will take me directly to the Product Monitor tool, where I can take a deeper dive into the reviews that I've received. And just to the right here, we have an awesome widget which tells us exactly how many units we have in stock from low to high. You can also click this link here to take you to the Your Products section, where you can take a deep dive into your inventory numbers and decide on your reorder timelines based on the stock that you currently have. Alright, finally guys, down here we have the best and worst product section. These are fairly self-explanatory. Here we have the products that are selling the most, basically the products generating the most gross revenue. Here we have the best or worst profit margins widget. Here we have either the most or least profitable product in our toolset. And finally, the best and worst products for refunds. You can toggle between the best and worst for each of these widgets by clicking on this section over here. Finally, guys, you can come up here to this button to download a comprehensive business report of your business's performance over the time period you have selected. This can be used for your own accounting or to present to a buyer interested in purchasing your company. Hopefully this is all as exciting to you as it is to us. We have worked hard putting this together with the goal in mind to show you the information that Seller Central doesn't exactly make it easy to find. If you have any other questions not covered in this video, please visit our FAQ page dedicated to the dashboard or email us at support@zonguru.com. Good luck and cheers for now.